Welcome to Shadow Files. A former substitute teacher and her boyfriend are now facing 38 child sex charges as their bond nears $9 million. Moving on, an Arizona man who admitted to crucifying a pastor is now asking for the death penalty so that they can move on with their lives. Finally, a woman accused of a fatal hit-and-run that killed an 8-year-old was seen laughing during her first court appearance. Stay tuned for the full story. We're now shifting to a disturbing case out of Texas, where a former substitute teacher and her boyfriend face a staggering 38 child sex crime charges. Their combined bail has been set at nearly $9 million. Madison Paige Jones, previously a substitute in Midlothian, and Zachary Donlinger were first arrested in December. An investigation began after allegations surfaced involving a 5-year-old child residing in Jones' home. Initially, their bonds were much lower. However, following additional charges filed this month, the bail amounts escalated significantly, reflecting the severity of the accusations. Jones now faces 13 counts of aggravated sexual assault of a child, along with charges of child pornography possession and indecency with a child. Donlinger is accused of 1 count of sexual performance by a child under 14, 13 counts of aggravated sexual assault, and multiple indecency charges, plus a felony warrant. Donlinger's bond now stands at $5 million, while Jones' bail is set at $3.8 million, totaling nearly $9 million as the legal proceedings continue. Court documents reveal a friend of Jones expressed concerns to police about Donlinger's behavior towards the 5-year-old child. The couple was in a relationship at the time. Investigators allege Jones confessed that Donlinger directed her to sexually assault the child and that she carried out these acts, even recording and sending videos. A seized iPhone reportedly contained messages from Donlinger supporting Jones' claim of acting under his direction. Authorities also seized other devices. The Midlothian Independent School District confirmed Jones is no longer employed and had worked as a substitute teacher. They stated no evidence links the allegations to her work or school property. An Arizona man accused of a brutal crime involving a pastor has shocked many by requesting the death penalty himself, aiming for a swift conclusion to the legal process. Representing himself, Adam Schief urged the judge to accept his guilty plea, stating the legal system is causing undue delays and preventing closure for all involved. Schief faces charges for the April 2025 murder of Pastor William Schoenman, a case marked by disturbing details of the victim's body being found in his bed with hands pinned. The suspect has consistently admitted his guilt and revealed the killing was part of a wider plot targeting numerous Christian leaders nationwide. Schief expressed frustration with the protracted legal proceedings, emphasizing his desire for resolution, not just for himself and his family, but for the victim's family too. This plea for the death penalty echoes statements made a year prior, where he explicitly stated his wish to be executed immediately for everyone's peace. Schief claims the murder was an act of Operation First Commandment, aimed at correcting Christian leaders he believed were misleading their followers. His father revealed Adam's deep obsession with the Old Testament and a prominent tattoo signifying his connection to God, raising concerns about his mental state. Despite claiming mental soundness, Schief acknowledged the heinous nature of the crime, arguing that its severity, coupled with no mitigating factors, warrants immediate sentencing. We are now turning to the third and final story today. A Florida woman, accused of a fatal hit-and-run, appeared in court. Victoria Ashton Johnson is facing multiple charges after an 8-year-old boy tragically lost his life. The incident occurred when 2 young boys were struck by a vehicle while crossing the street near a church event. One boy died, while the other remains hospitalized with severe injuries. During her court appearance, Johnson was seen shaking her head and even laughing as the judge read the charges. She initially claimed the vehicle was stolen, but later admitted to driving and possibly hitting someone. Investigators revealed Johnson admitted to using methamphetamine before the crash and attempting to conceal her involvement by reporting the car stolen. She also acknowledged her license was suspended due to a prior DUI. The judge set Johnson's bond at $100,000, but she was held without bond for a separate probation violation stemming from a previous DUI case. This concludes our news roundup. Thank you for watching Shadow Files. If you found this report informative, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Your engagement helps us bring you the stories that matter.